Hi everybody, and a warm welcome back to Maple Leaf Customs. I'm Andrew, and today's video is a mail call from my very good online friend Ricky from Irie Fix Diecasts. Ricky's channel is filled with such a variety of exotics, muscle cars, fantasy cars, models of yesteryear. He's just got outstanding talent, and you can follow the link in the description below to find it. Ricky and I have done a couple of buddy builds together, and we exchange emails now and then. And this letter says, "Hi Andrew, wishing you and your family all the best for the new year, and I hope to see some awesome restorations and customs from Maple Leaf Customs this year. I had this package for you since last year, but I was waiting on a delivery from eBay, which took forever to arrive. I know that you will enjoy restoring and customizing some of these models and posting them on your channel for us to enjoy as well. One love, enough respect, my friend. Ricky, Irie Fix Diecasts." Ricky is just about as fine an online friend as you can have, so thank you, brother. And we are starting it off with a bang. I saw and commented on one of Ricky's recent builds. I love those wheels. And he sent me the eBay link, and I looked at that and said, oh, the shipping is going to kill me. I have to pass. So, Ricky, thank you for going out of your way and buying these just for me when I couldn't. That means a lot. Here's a Hot Wheels HAULIN gas with premium wheels on it. It's the Led Zeppelin livery. Very cool. I've got an idea already what I will do with that. It's a 55 Chevy Bel Air gasser, also Hot Wheels. Now I've got a couple of these. All of a sudden, I have never done a gasser. So I am going to put one of these on my spring schedule for sure. Nice one. Thanks, Ricky. You're being very, very generous. Ooh, this one looks like it has been rendered a little bit of first aid. I'll unwrap that, and at first glance, it looks like an original RODGER, and if I'm correct, I think that's about mid-70s. It's a Hong Kong issue with a metal base. Glass is missing, but I can fix that up. Oh, yeah, I like it. A set of those new Real Riders on here would be just the ticket. Great mix so far, Ricky. Thank you. Coming out of the bubble pack now, the little taxi cab. It's a TOMICA in 1/65 scale. It's a Toyota Crown. TOMICA is a Japanese brand, and I think I might just have one other one from the TOMICA Diecast Company. So this is very special, and I'll work on that for sure. Oh, every car enthusiast knows that's a 63 split rear window Corvette. I love it. Another metal base and a Hong Kong issue. I've read that those are quite desirable now. One of my favorite Corvette looks, the 63. If you like this kind of stuff, I invite you to give this video a thumbs up and get all subbed up here, and come on back. I'm going to be doing my spring lineup real soon, featuring probably a couple of these cars and other finds from recent mail calls as well. Here's a SURFIN school bus. Plastic base on this one, and look at the 4 motors on the back, all revved up, some surfboards coming out the rear window. Very, very cool. I like those. Okay, somebody has stolen the wheels off the field car. This is a little Lesney model, but I like that, and I've got a whole bag of spare wheels, Ricky. No worries here. It's another metal base. These are top drawer castings. I don't know if that one's hard to find or not, but I'll fix that up and it'll go to the Goodwill store as a gift. As will this. In the mid-70s, Hot Wheels put out what they called the Formula Pack with a mix of different race cars. The Hot Wheels fandom site is a great source of information. I go there all the time. Metal base, Hong Kong, once again, just great quality, and this one's in really good condition. But I'll go to work on it anyways. This looks like a partner to the field car. It's also Lesney Matchbox, and it's the Jeep. Also needing a set of wheels. A nice metal base on that one as well. These are great quality toys from that vintage era, don't you think? I love working on these. Ricky recently featured one of these Matchbox models of yesteryear, they're called. This is a 1909 Opel Coupe. Looks like it needs a seat insert, or maybe a roof goes on that. I'll have to Google some pics and see. I've got a couple of these. I might be able to swap some parts. I'll see if they're interchangeable or not. Thank you, Ricky. I really enjoyed your recent model of yesteryear that you did. I think it was a Renault. From my heart to yours, my brother, I thank you for your generosity here. And I hope everyone watching enjoyed this as well. Be sure to visit Ricky's channel and come back here soon and often. It's coffee time.